How to cancel a scheduled payment in Wells Fargo. Hey everybody, in today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily turn off recurring payments on the Wells Fargo app. First thing you're going to have to do is make sure to log into your account. Once you are logged into it, find the Pay and Bills option on your home screen. You can find the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen. It has Home, Transfer, and Pay options. So tap on the middle icon where you see a dollar sign, and then it will get to you to pay and transfer option. Now just go ahead and tap on the pay bills option. What it does is it will show you all of your available bills. Now, if you want to add a payee or if you have anything already scheduled, you can tap on the scheduled payment, and then it will show you all of the information. Now, if you scroll down a bit, you'll find something called the recurring button. Just tap on the recurring button and it will take you to this page. So here you'll see a frequency of how often it's gonna recur or how often it's gonna pay itself. So all you have to do is tap on the delete recurring button at the bottom of your screen, and it will ask you for the confirmation. So you can choose either to skip the next payment or delete the entire recurring series. Depending on your choice, select the option and then tap on delete. And now you have successfully deleted your scheduled payment on Wells Fargo. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.